And this is from the president of U.S. Seal International, who describes himself as a Republican, who has been working with coal tar and whose father started a coal tar business 40-something years ago. And he believes that we should be banning it. This is our opportunity to do the right thing and protect our constituents. And with that, Mr. Chair, thank you for letting me present this bill. I look forward to hearing from my witnesses and taking questions afterwards. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman and Vice Chair Senator Kagan, I'm speaking in favor of this bill. I'm the president of ASMA USA, which stands for the Asphalt Sealcoat Manufacturers Association, and that's been around since the early 90s. And when we started that organization, it was to straighten up all of the misconceptions that were going on the West Coast where asphalt emulsion products are being used. That's 40 years ago. 40 years ago, we started making asphalt-based seal. Why did we do that? We did that because we were tired of getting burned, our skin getting burned from coal tar all over our arms. It didn't bother you at first. And I'm a veteran of being in the emergency room a number of times. It isn't 40 years ago my dad started this business. It's the late 1940s. And in the late 50s, even though I was a young kid, I was out there with my dad on the driveway just as a kid, putting it down. I didn't know what I was doing, but I was there. I was there when he was paving Route 66 in the 60s. I didn't know what I was doing then, but I was there too. So I have a lot of experience in this. I doubt, unfortunately, that anybody in this room has as much experience as I do because I'm 70 years old. So having said that, let me tell you what we did about this. Us and 4 other manufacturers on the West Coast decided to make a better product, something safer, something that didn't burn us, something that didn't burn your lungs as this stuff did when you inhaled it. And we came up with asphalt emulsion seal coats. In the very beginning, they were raw, they were simple, but they've evolved. And all of these years, there's over 100 million people live on the West Coast. Why are all of us using asphalt emulsion, but the East Coast refuses to do it? Now, I can tell you that Seal Mastery, since you spoke about them, they do make an asphalt emulsion seal coat, and I believe it's a pretty good product. So I don't know why they want to make coal tar. I wouldn't have a clue. You'd have to ask him that. But I know that we don't. None of us want it. We have plants in 11 states. All of those plants came into coal tar territories, and immediately the contractors migrated over to the asphalt-based products. Why? Because they didn't want to be burned. They didn't want to have it on their equipment that they couldn't get it off. They didn't want to have it on their clothes. They didn't want it on their skin, and they didn't want to go home smelling like they just walked out of a tar factory. And they don't with asphalt. Is it still there next year? You betcha it is. Now, unless you're going to be one of those people that does what my dad used to say when I was a kid, use the money wand, the water hose. So you go and buy sealer and you don't dilute it the proper method. You over dilute it, and you've done it to save money. That's what you're doing, and you're wasting people's money and their time. And so I see that whenever I come out to the East Coast. In all of those places where we have plants, all of those contractors are all now using asphalt emulsion, and they've all told us they will never go back to using coal tar. Never. So I'm not waging a war on coal tar. In fact, I'm probably the oldest guy around that ever used it. But I don't want to use it anymore. And I don't want to be sick from it. I spent weeks in the hospital from the burning. We never knew that it could burn you as bad as it did. I remember when we were doing Disney World in the 70s, and being young guys, we took our shirts off. We were wearing shorts. We got oversprayed because the wind came up and got it on us. It didn't seem to bother us at first. By later in the day, we were burning something awful. You know how you got it off? Xylene. That's the only way you could get coal tar off your body or anything else. Xylene, one of the most destructive chemicals, explosive chemicals, and that's what you had to use to get it off you and your equipment. When you use asphalt emulsion seal coats, you can seal in a relatively fast time after you've paved the parking lot. When you use coal tar, you have to wait 90 days for it to cure. So let's be clear about this. Asphalt emulsion is not part of paving materials. It is not a wonder drug. It's been around since the 40s. It doesn't do anything but surface coat a pavement to protect it from UV radiation, the chemicals, and the weather. That's all it does. And so does asphalt emulsion. But guess what? There's no residual effects that come along with it. So I would say to you that if you switch to asphalt emulsion, you will not have these possible claims that are going to come down the pipe at you, because they will when a woman is walking down the street with her baby carriage and the guy is spraying it with a spacesuit on and she wonders why he's doing that and she's not protected. You're going to see that kind of stuff come your way. It's already happened in Minnesota. They banned it in 2014 just because of that reason. So I would say to you, thank you very much for your time. I hope I've helped in some small way. And if you have any questions for me, I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.